So I decided to apply for an apprenticeship at CAT because I had recently come out of college and was in full-time work, but what I'd studied in college was something that I didn't feel I would be successful at university, and I felt like I wanted a bit of a change, kind of mix up completely what I was doing. So I went from studying music technology to starting the apprenticeship at CAT, and I came here because I felt working for a company like this would give me the opportunity to grow into a bit of a bigger career and hopefully at some point be able to travel the world with work. That's the idea. When we're talking about progressing through the apprenticeship, first of all I started right at the beginning. So stage 1 of the apprenticeship, completed that. At the time it was 6 weeks in the classroom and then straight out onto the shop floor, so I got all of my experience for the shop floor work and that kind of thing. Moved on to the second stage of the apprenticeship where you specialise a bit more into different areas, quality, logistics, repair, maintenance, all that kind of thing. And then at the time they were offering an advanced apprenticeship, and I think there was only 11 of us that were offered the advanced apprenticeship, so I went for that, which was again a deeper specialisation of certain roles. At the time where it came to get a permanent job, I felt that the skills that I'd taken from my level 3 advanced apprenticeship would transfer quite easily into the manufacturing engineering role. So that's the job that I went for, so hopefully in the future I can just keep moving up the ladder and get some sort of management role. Somewhere like Caterpillar you can start as an apprentice just out on the shop floor working the tools, and you can end up being one of the higher managers on a 6-figure salary travelling the world. So you don't have to come in at that level, you don't have to have a degree, you don't have to have the best grades in the world. You can just work for those, gain your experience, keep pushing yourself, and you will achieve what you want to achieve in the end.